The problem is when you try to install this multiplayer for San Andreas, select the game folder. There is no OK button is up here. As you can see, the problem is you need to downgrade your San Andreas to v1.0 version. Check my video description for this mod link, select the download option. Once download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open this folder, then drop this exe inside of a game folder. And now you can able to install this multiplayer for San Andreas. Accept, select browse, navigate to the game folder. As you can see, the OK option is up here and you can able to install it. If you want full guide on installation, check my video description for this video. Play GTA San Andreas online with friends for free. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.